This vlog is going to be 15 minutes you walking, 2 minutes you shopping. It's like a race.
I know, that's what I'm saying. It's like a race against time. It's very difficult to say. Why can't I speak today? Hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Sawa. You and I, we hustle together. Today we are headed out to Crawford Market. हम अभी college से छूटे हैं and I, don't get any time during the day to go. So I don't know if the market is going to be open also. ये अगर same हमारा home stop जैसा situation हो जाए ना कि हम वहाँ जाए और बंद निकले, so it's going to be a big flop. But I'm hoping that the markets externally in Bombay have opened up and they do stay open. I don't know for how long that is. तो अभी 3:50 हो रहा है. We should reach by around 4:15ish. And let's see, it's close from my college, which is why we decided कि अब जा रहे हैं तो चले ही जाते हैं. Crawford Market, if you don't know, you're not from Bombay. It's like this cheap market for everything. You get everything. Yeah, it's a wholesale market. सब मिलता है उधर. Kitchen items, barware, decor, bags, anything. You want wholesale में. और सब जो हमारे retail stores हैं ना बॉम्बे में, उधर सब माल Crawford से आता है. So we are going directly to the hub to get some decor items. अगर market अच्छे से खुला हो ना तो काफ़ी कुछ अच्छा मिल जाएगा, जिसकी वजह से I have not ordered anything on Amazon. I have my Starbucks right here. मैंने कॉलेज में ही मंगा लिया था क्योंकि आज मुझे कॉफ़ी की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. And open. It's so well packed. I'm so always impressed with Starbucks का packaging.
Yeah, they charge you for it. They're not giving it to you free.
They charge me for the high premium quality coffee they give. Okay. Starbucks की कॉफी का एक सिप लो ना क्या हिट होता है.
बाबा जी की बूटी.
I need that kind of strength in my life. कॉफी के बिना तो मेरा कोई vlog जाता है. This is the secret ingredient for all my Hustle with Sar episodes. There is not one episode without coffee in it. Ta-da! Ooh, there's no whipped cream. What the F? Starbucks.
What is this behavior?
अच्छा, oh, because it's non-dairy. Jesus Christ. Rosary sauce है ना? कितने के है ये?
300 की रेंज में ये 4 डिज़ाइन है. ये 250 की रेंज है, ये 150 की रेंज है, ये 125 की रेंज है.
This is what Meghna has in her backdrop. Look how pretty. क्या है ये सिंगल फ्लावर?
बंच आएगा मैडम, 250 का पर बंच.
250 का पर बंच है.
इसमें कुछ अलग अलग है, 200 वाले भी, 175 वाले भी.
250 बहुत महंगा बोल रहे हो भैया.
250 में आएगी ये 250, ये 250.
ये कितने का है?
ये 400 में आएगा.
400 का ये.
क्वालिटी अच्छा है, महंगा है.
क्वालिटी अच्छा है, पर हम इतना दूर ये प्राइस के लिए नहीं आए ना भैया. There are more options. पर ये सब आप जो 400-500 बोल रहे हो ऑनलाइन
रबर का रियल है. ऐसे लोग हैं ना, ये कपड़े के ना, ये हल्के आते हैं. ये इतना डिम क्यों है? इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं लग रहा है. ये बल्ब कितने वॉट्स का है? अच्छा. Those LEDs ना for shoot they are really cool. पिंजारा मार्केट बोलो ना, पिंजारा. क्या भाव है ये वाइट का? 400 रुपये इतने का. बराबर है भैया. 50 ले लो अभी 100 में. I'm literally shopping like the world is coming to an end. बारिश हो रही है, सब लोग भाग रहे हैं. भैया पिंजारा
This vlog is going to be 15 minutes you walking, 2 minutes you shopping.
ये सब मग्स कितने के हैं? पूरा सेट है ये. कितने का है ये सर? मैं चूज कर रही हूँ, फिर आप अच्छा खासा मुझे डिस्काउंट देना. ओके. दिस इज गुड. अक्टूबर फेस्ट. My dad would love this. Nice, na? That is cute. हाँ, दो. See this? Some element. Lavender unicorn.
You can go in your room, the lavender unicorn.
It's raining, bro. It's raining. Now तो he's gonna shut everything. My pampas grass. I hope I get it.
Raining full-fledged and everything is shutting now. It's like 4, it's 5 o'clock, so they're all shutting. बहुत आवाज़ है, बहुत कमोशन है और हमारे पास बहुत बैग्स हो गए हैं. बट अभी एक और दुकान से बस लैम्प ले लेते हैं and then we're done. We are gonna go.
10 पीसेस देख लो, आप चेक कर लो.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ये थोड़ा फ्लप होएगा ना?
हाँ, ये खुलेगा नहीं. ये खोलो.
हाँ. खोलो मत, अभी मुझे भिगाना नहीं है उसको. All of this is ours. Like this is all flowers. This is all our decor. ये क्या है? Curtains. और क्या मिल गया हमको? फूल पत्ती. 60 मिनट्स में नॉट बैड. हाँ, नॉट एट ऑल. बहुत बारिश हो रही है अभी, हर जगह दुकानें बंद हो रही है एंड इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ मोशन. जी, thank you very much. Literally, you guys, this was like a challenge. It's 5:37. We arrived at 4:37. Look at everything we got. We got floral arrangements. We got light decor, curtains. We also got a lot of like cute decor stuff to put in our backdrop for our videos. We got more floral arrangements. So it was very, very successful. It is raining heavily, okay? And these bags are heavy. Just Pooja and I with one chata, one bag, also trying to vlog. It was a crazy thing. I will go home and show you all everything that I got. I'm really hoping कि कुछ भी भीग के खराब नहीं हुआ हो, especially like the pampas grass, because pampas grass हमको बहुत अच्छा डील मिला. This guy gave me like 500 में 10, so I was like, I am coming back to you. Let me search the market and I'm coming back to you. And he was also waiting for me. He was like, Madam कहाँ गए आप? मैं आपको ढूंढ रहा था. It's a very, very good and affordable market. Not everything is affordable. Let me mind you. I saw this lamp which I really like, the telescopic lamp, and it was around 4,000. The 4,400, and he was not even giving me discount. So I was constantly thinking, loo, nahi loo. And then later I checked on Amazon, it was 1,700. So always do your Amazon research before you come here. I'll go home and give you all like more tips on how I decided. Like Amazon पे मेरी list ready थी. मुझे बस इधर आके मेरे aesthetic के हिसाब से सामान उठाना था. So that's why it went very fast. Hi, my Finju, where are you going? Where are you going? Mama came here, no? Where are you going? Where are you running, running? You went for walkie and came. Became full wet. It's raining, no? You don't like rain. I got so much new stuff for our house. You like it? Alright, let's begin. I have everything around me, everything that we got. First things first, I'll just go store wise. कौन सी दुकान हम पहले गए थे? तो सबसे पहले we went to pick up all the floral arrangements because floral arrangements are super cheap and very good quality in Crawford. Even if you're getting married or something and you want like artificial flowers for your bouquet and stuff, you should definitely check out Crawford if you're from Bombay. The first couple of arrangements we got was this, which literally looks like a bridal bouquet. It has these blue roses and it has white roses as well, and these white flowers. I think individually they were 200 rupees. Now overall on my order he did give me some discount. I wasn't bargaining much because you know the pandemic has hit us pretty hard, and especially these small businesses, so I didn't want to like bargain too much. I would just ask them कि कितना discount दोगे, and जो भी final price बोलते थे I used to just adjust to that. Everything will go in specific vases and areas in the home that you all will see when the Sara Squad Studios is completely made. Next, from that very same vendor I picked up longer stem of flowers as well. These are such good quality. Can you see how well bloomed they are? Honestly, nothing like Crawford when it comes to such good quality flowers, because even like in Andheri markets or Juhu or all these areas that do floral arrangements, something like this would aram se cost me 500, 600, even 700 sometimes per strand, and this was just 250 rupees each strand. Very well bloomed. So I've just bought this in general. I don't know where it's going, and if it doesn't suit my home decor on top, I can just use it in this home as well, because we want to refresh the floral arrangements in this house as well. All this has been here for a while now. Next, I got this one which my mom really liked. This is a yellow lily and it's rubberized texture, so very easy to clean. Nice 3 lilies with green detailing on it. Again, a tall stem. We can bend it or cut it or just see where it fits well. Again, don't know where it's gonna go. From the very same vendor, I ended up getting pampas grass. Now, this is something that was not available और उधर तुमको दिखेगा नहीं, but ये तुम पूछ सकते हो अपने flower vendor को उधर Crawford में, and they had this for an amazing price. We picked up 2 because there are branches of 10 for 500. Now, I don't know, but Pooja was telling me that each branch or like a bunch is 1,000, but either ways, this was a steal deal. Like 500 for this is good pricing. Pampas grass is basically just dried up flower, so it doesn't need watering or anything, but when the sun hits it, it does start blooming a little bit. So it is not completely an artificial flower as well. It looks very
aesthetic in corners, which is why we were just gonna get one, but we got two again. Like I said, वो घर में नहीं तो ये घर में ही सही. We will put it somewhere to just decorate and amp up the space. It's a neutral color, so goes with a lot of things. I don't want to open it because इसके थोड़े थोड़े feathers निकलते हैं अगर खोलो तो directly हम जब घर सजाएंगे तभी इसको खोल के I will show you all. Definitely if you're there, you can ask for pampas grass and they'll specially get it for you. उनके godown में रखा हुआ होता है. Same thing applies for even like bigger plants. If you want like birds of paradise or fiddle leaf and all these artificial planters, वो सामने तुमको display में नहीं दिखेगा, but वो लोग अंदर से लाके देंगे. But I want real plants also, so I don't want to like go all the artificial route as well. From a different flower vendor, we got these small planters. These are artificial planters. They have this steel metal sort of a basket appearance to it with jute rope, a lot of detailing happening. I got a lavender bunch and I also got this green tea bunch. My mom liked this more, she didn't like this that much, but again, as per the wall color and everything, the aesthetic will vibe up. So it was 250 each, so together I paid 500 for this. Next we got curtains. I'm telling you, for 60 minutes we did a lot of good shopping. I got 2 set of curtains. I got just one vendor curtain वाला जो खुला था तो फटाफट I was like कितने का दे रहे हो भैया, and एक set वो 400 रुपए का दे रहा था, तो completely मैंने 4 पीस उठाए, 1600 का बिल था, 1550 में भी finalized, and that was not a great discount, but like I told you all, I'm not bargaining over here. So one piece I picked up is this off-white. It is like a polyester cotton blend. It's not pure cotton, it's a sheer curtain. So for my studio room, I would need blackout curtains because I don't use natural light, but for the hall and for the bedroom, this would do, and it would like just add some light and vibrancy to the room because I'm not looking for very opaque curtains. That's why I went for these. They're nice and long. They're 7 feet, so my windows are very long if you've seen the home tour. This is an off-white color and very similar to this, we also have a white. I don't think you can see the pattern, तो वो तुम home tour में देख लेना, but 400 for a curtain was a good deal. अभी मेरे घर में ना rod नहीं है curtains के, तो वो मुझे figure out करना पड़ेगा कि मैं इसको कैसे लगाने वाली हूँ. So next, a stationery shop caught my eye and we got the cutest stuff over there, cute little home decor pieces that again in this area I would get so expensive. It was not that it was very cheap also, but definitely good stuff, like really good stuff. पूरा bill उधर मेरा कुछ 4000 आया. Individual prices अगर मुझे याद होगे तो I will tell you, but the first item I have over here is, I'm not gonna give you context to all the items because then you will not see the final home tour only. So the first thing I got is this. This is a King in the North silver black oxidized Game of Thrones mug. Now I was a big Game of Thrones fan till the last season came out, which is why I like fell in love when I saw this, and this was 250 rupees, which is a great price for this. You can put beer, coffee, whatever you want to put in it, but we are mostly going to use it as home decor, where I will tell you when you see the house tour, but I'm very excited for this. So we had to match the Game of Thrones theme and get a partner for this coffee mug. Basically they used to drink ale, na? So it can be ale mug also, but King in the North is a North house, so we had to get a Targaryen as well. So I got the Fire and Blood goblet. It's so cute. I mean, it says Fire and Blood right here. It is good stainless steel inside, and this is also 250 rupees. The detailing on this is really good. It's not like these are unique. I've seen them around, but इतने सस्ते prices में नहीं मिलता था. Amazon पे भी काफी महंगी है ये सब चीजें, और मैंने Amazon पे already ये सब prices check करके मैं Crawford गई थी, सारा अपना market research करके गई थी कि जो सस्ता उधर है, that only I will pick up. Again, without context, I got a beer mug. This has this shaky beer in it. Now beer is something I don't drink at all. It's not an alcohol I consume, so this is just literally for decor. Again, y'all will come to know the context and you'll see it in the house, but it says Oktober Fest. So October Fest is, I think, this month in some part of the world that they celebrate, which Germany. Okay, so I have no idea about it, but it just looked cute, was cheap. I think 250 में कुछ ये मिला, plus ये आवाज करता है, so that is a lot of fun as well. Cute item alert, I got this very cute unicorn. Look how pretty it is. It has this lavender hair going on in the it's a unicorn, dude. It's so cute. It's supposed to be a piggy bank. You're supposed to put coins and all in it, but मेरा पैसा वैसे भी इधर तो save होने से रहा, तो हम इसे खाली decor piece के जैसा use करेंगे. It looks so pretty in some backdrop of mine. बस देखना है कि कहाँ fit होगा. कुछ चीजें तो खाली cute करके मैंने उठा ली, अभी वो कहाँ जाएगी वो हमें नहीं पता. Okay, next we got these cute pieces. These are basically Bluetooth speakers, but I just got them for decor purpose. I didn't even know they were speakers, but they are very much functional. They come with a USB cord and everything. 650 for each piece is what we ended up paying. This is a black television with like rose gold detailing on it. There's a button as well, and the speakers here and here. And this is a rose gold radio, pink color, very cute, very 90s 80s vibe. From the very same store, I got this. This says Travel Fund on it. Again, it's a piggy bank, but very cute and aesthetic. It's like a briefcase thingy. हाँ, इधर है coin slot. It has a wooden aesthetic, wooden feel to it. It's clear. I can put a little bit of coin, but कितना उसमें I can travel, उसका कुछ guarantee नहीं है. Next, I got this very big set. It's basically a coffee set, and I ended up paying the most for this at the store. Now, this travel fund thing was also only $250, so everything was very cheap and affordable and everything. But इसमें हम बहक गए because इसका color अगर आप देखोगे ना, I don't know if the camera will pick up, but the color is what we were sold on. These are mint green coffee mugs. They have gold detailing on them. They're teacups, coffee mugs, whatever you want to call them. But there is a set of 6 inside this. It also comes with a gold stand. तो वो तुम ऐसा railing के जैसा लगाओ and उस पे coffee mugs टंगा सकते हैं. Plus you get 6 saucers and you also get chammach. You also get small gold spoons. So it's a complete set, but we ended up paying $2,000 for everything. When I came home and showed my mom, she was like, you could have gotten this for $1,000 somewhere else. So I think we definitely overpaid for this. But all in all, the stationery shop was really good, and we ended up liking a lot of almost everything what we got. I think these teacups also I will definitely use. It's just that, you know, I should not break them easily to break the set. But yeah, they were aesthetic, and the mint green color, we were sold on that. Next, we got a light shop, and we picked up these cute lanterns from there. This is a nice mint blue color. It also comes with this glass inside, so you can put like a candle if you want, and it has a holder internally as well. These were for 250 rupees each, which is a very good price because I've seen such things on IKEA and Amazon, and they cost beyond like 500 or around 500. And I got a smaller variant in white because white is something that goes with everything, and again it has the candle holder inside. Another light piece I got was this. This I found really pretty and aesthetic, and black is very much my vibe. So it's a different sort of a candle stand holder. This was 200 rupees. And lastly, I got an S. I always wanted a neon lamp that has S because my name is Sara, Sarosh, Sara, Squad Studios. So S for everything, the alliteration, and we'll have it somewhere up in the studio. So this lights up and everything. Abhi battery nahi hai isme. But that completes it. That was everything that we got under 60 minutes from Crawford Market. Crawford is one of the busiest markets of Bombay, and it was so sad to see it shut at 4 o'clock because we've gone to Crawford like 6, 7, 8 o'clock, and it just be open all night. Like जब तक तुमको सामान लेना है वो दुकान खुला रखेंगे. And it was so challenging to shop in the rains, but I think we got some good stuff to set up in the home studio. If we feel like we want to get more, we might go again. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also share this video with your friends, family, anyone you want to go with to shop at Crawford. Just make sure you're wearing double mask because there's no rule of social distancing happening there. It's the busiest area of Bombay, तो वहाँ पे तो तुम सोच भी नहीं सकते कि कुछ rules होंगे. For today's video, the Sara Squad shout out goes to Tanmay Priyadarshini. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video Sara Squad shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, the bell icon right next to it, and also leave a comment down below saying hashtag Sara Squad, and you get a chance to be a part of my next video Sara Squad shout out. I will see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.